Hi, this third section of the video is going to be about stringing the loom. The string that I use, or the cord that I use, is called Mason line. I bought it at Ace Hardware. You probably can get it at Menards or any hardware store. It's a twisted nylon, and it's a number 21 weight. Now, for a 6-foot long banner, you will need 370 feet of cording. 370 feet for a 6-foot long banner. For a 3-foot long banner, you're going to need 185 feet of cording. 185. And so, I will just begin by, first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap about a couple feet of cord around the end here, or the side. And I'm just going to tape it with duct tape. Then I'm going to take the cording, I'm just going to make one wrap around the first nail. Why I do this is because this end, the beginning of the loom, of the cording, when you're finished weaving all your pieces of fabric into the loom, and you take off the cording from the nails, this end, you're going to have to tie to something. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to tie the end to the next cord on the second nail. Because if you don't tie this end to anything, it's going to unravel. The whole banner is going to unravel. And as you will see, when I get to the end of stringing the loom, I'm going to have to do the same thing. I'm going to wrap it around the side frame and tape it. Because when I'm done with weaving the loom, I'm going to have to tie that cord to the string next to it. Anchor. So, I'm going to have somebody hold this because it makes it a lot easier. And it goes pretty fast. So I'm just going from top to bottom, and I am looping the string around the nail. And I'm pulling on the string with a fair amount of tension. And you will see that there's almost 2 rows of string when you loop the string around each nail. Sometimes you get going on a roll, but then sometimes you get off. Now, we're going to switch sides here, because now we're about halfway, and I'm going to come on this side. Make sure your cording is touching the wood, pushed down against the wood. Sometimes the nail can bend if the cording is high on the nail. And when you pull the tension on the cord, the nail may bend. Okay. We're done stringing. I've got a few feet of line here. I'm going to loop the string around the nail a couple times just to help hold the tension. And then I'm going to bring the string down and wrap it around the side. And with a piece of duct tape, just tape that down. As you can see, there's a looseness. The strings are fairly taut. So I did pull a little bit of tension on the string. I think that works better when you have a little tension on it for weaving. And there we have stringing of the loom. Our next section of video will be showing how to weave the fabric into the loom.